I'm going to do a walkthrough of the UK Intermediate Mathematical Challenge, February 2000. What I'm going to do is go through my worked examples, one question at a time, and talk you through how to answer each question. If you want to read the rules and the guidelines for this paper, you are welcome to pause the video now. We're going to go straight to question 1. (367) is multiplied by 3,489. What is the units digit of the answer? 9 multiplied by 7 is 63. And therefore this is the units digit, which is the answer A. No, it's not. It's the answer B. B is 3. So what I'm going to do now is go through each of the questions on the video in individual videos. Just play along with the playlist to see the other videos.